Cyber criminals are using really clever techniques to infect devices with harmful malware and steal sensitive data. And with more people now working from home and using their home Wi-Fi, the threat of an attack has significantly increased. The best way to protect your online security when working from home is by installing a VPN, a virtual private network, on all of your devices. VPNs protect your data behind an impenetrable wall of military-grade encryption, making it very difficult for hackers to intercept your data. So if you or your team are working from home, you need a VPN to protect your business properly. If you want to know more about VPNs or what other options are available to you, please get in touch.